Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take a document and make it into handout. This is from the training I went with Riley. So I just pulled up a random document. I don't even know what this one was. I just googled bubble map and this is what it came up with. So it was free. I downloaded it. So what I want to do is I want to start with my image. So I'm going to snip what I want. So I'm going to just snip this page because I like this page. There's my page. Control copy it or file copy, however works best for you, and I'm going to open up a slide presentation. So I'm going to get a new presentation so you can see what this looks like. And then what he told us to do, and I'm actually going to go back to it when I don't want a bunch of these. I'm going to Control M so I have a new slide. Is I want to go to File, I want to go to Page Setup. Again, that's File, Page Setup, and I'm going to want to it's going to originally say something like widescreen 16.9. You want to change it to custom, and we want to change it to 8.5 by 11 inches. You're going to click apply, and then if you don't want to have these text boxes here, you're just going to go to layout, and at the very bottom it says blank. Again, to get rid of those text boxes, it's layout, very bottom is blank, or you can delete them. Now that I have this, I'm going to Control V that image. I'm going to make it the size I want, and you could do this with any template, anything from the district. This is just how we can make these templates editable for the kids. So I'm going to put it where I want it. I'm happy with it there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click Download, and you can choose JPEG or PNG. He says it does not matter, so I'm going to choose JPEG. And I'm going to download my JPEG. I'm going to save it. It's going to replace another file, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Control M, get myself a new slide, and I'm going to click Background. I'm going to choose my image, and I have my image right here hanging out at the bottom, so I'm just going to slide him over. Again, I just took that image from the bottom, slid him over, and click Done. And now this is my background. So before, the kids can move this when you give it to them, and I don't want them moving that, I just want it to stay still. Once I have this still, I can add text boxes, and I can put type here in those text boxes. And once I have one text box, you just Control copy, Control paste, so they're all the same size. Let's say I didn't want to say type here, I wanted it to be a different color so the kids know there's a text box there. I could go to the fill icon, and they're going to type where it's bright blue now. And what the nice thing is the kids can now do a lot more with this. So they could click down here and they could scribble, so they could write on it. And then as soon as, let me go back to scribble. So here's them writing. Now once they let go, that scribble is going to stay there. You can change the colors. You can add arrows. You can say, okay, I only want you to do that one. Make an arrow. I did a line, not an arrow. So you have a lot of flexibility what the kids can do to this. They can write on it, they can edit it, and makes this entire thing editable. And then when you put in Google Classroom, you just say make a copy for all your students. But now your students can actually interact with this. Hope that helps.